Hello guys and welcome back to Berachain. Berachain is exploding, very popular, one of the most popular probably networks at the moment, and for a good reason, because they built quite a substantial hype around it, and I've been covering it in two other videos, and I'm gonna show you today how to check how you apply, how is your situation. Mine is not so good as I thought, so let's dive right into it and do some tasks after that quickly, just to build up our position. So I've got this website called Wencer, thanks to our one of the people on Telegram, Geodex. A very cool website where you simply connect your wallet, you put in your wallet, you'll see your the field to put the wallet in. Make sure you are on Berachain. I think it was you just pick the network here, Berachain, and then put in your address and you can check it. And once you see it, you see how many transactions you did, how many points you've got, what can you expect from the airdrop. So as you can see, I've got only 3 out of 15, around 1200 beras. I've got some in the wallet, obviously from the faucet that I'm trying to do, but obviously it would be beneficial to come back every day. So the ones that are still missing is do around 25 transactions. I just did some. I minted the domain, which I'm gonna show in a second, and I had 19, I've got 20, so I'm just definitely going to mint some more, do some swaps, and put some money in the pool. And then you see these transactions, more than 10,000. Obviously it's test money, so doing every day the faucet, which sends you some money to the wallet, would be beneficial. Not sure how long will it take to get to 10,000, because obviously they send you only like 0.1 every 8 hours. I'm not sure exactly how much is 0.1, maybe it's showing somewhere, but oh yeah, okay, this one is like $20 of 20 beras, so yeah, that might take a while to reach volumes like 10,000, but all this matters, obviously the wallet. I did the first video 50 days ago, unique days, unique weeks, so I need to pick up my pace and come back to it more often. So let's do some tasks. I just did send money, so I can't do it now. Simply put in your wallet from MetaMask. Hopefully you watched the other videos where I connect the wallet, connect the Berachain network, and send some money to the wallet like here. And then we can do maybe first the pool. Everything is here on the explore button, so you've got different things you can click around and obviously do some transactions yourself. I did the honey mint in other videos, and now I'm going to the Bex swap Bera exchange. So first we're gonna swap some money. So as you can see here, we're gonna deposit in some pools, so we need like some 2 of these coins, let's say. So let's try, so I just swapped Bera to ETH, but I don't think it went through because it should be already showing. So I'm just gonna try again now. Let's say like a small amount, 0.01, previous swap, and then confirm transaction. Everything is obviously free as a test net, and probably one of the big airdrops this year. I'm not sure when is the airdrop gonna be exactly. I'm not sure. I don't think there is information about it yet, but you just have to keep on grinding and testing. So I'm gonna check the transaction because I'm not sure what happened with the other one. Oh yeah, there's some issue, and they're saying here as well on top there is some issue on Berachain, so maybe some of the things won't work. So let's go ahead and try to do some pool, because I had some previous tokens and swaps. Let's see if we can make one. If not, then we have to wait maybe for other day. So basically pool is obviously 2 coins. I'm not sure if I have them. Okay, I've got both of them. That's where I was doing the swaps because of that, or the minting of honey, because honey was a bit different. So let's say I'm gonna go for 1. Not sure, it should preload automatically in my opinion. Usually when you put 1 in, then the second one is automatic, but let's just okay, it's showing 1 here, so let's do 1 here, 1 here. They have to be 50-50. Approve. all these transactions. This is basically doing the tasks as well. Let's do max here. Okay, it's confirmed now, add liquidity. Okay, so we have it going on. It was successful. Luckily, I already have some other one from my other videos. So this is it. Probably this is going to add to the transactions here again. I want to work towards 100 at least. Now I'm gonna do way more. So you can obviously do the same thing, basically swap some money and then get the pools going as much as you can. And the next good task is to do the domains. I just minted the second one. If you go to my domains, okay, here, okay, it's only showing one. I just minted the second one, not sure why it's not showing, but let's say if you search for domain, you can type anything. Let's say search for some other one available, add to cart, and then go to cart. I think I did that, but it didn't work. So here you can pay with USDT, which I think it's showing that I have. I don't know why, but before I was minting also USDC. Sometimes it doesn't work, so unfortunately there's still bugs all over the place. Not sure if that website belongs to Berachain or is it just like a sort of airdrop style website, but I did that and it apparently didn't go through, so not sure it's gonna do this again now, but it minted something. And now if I go to checkout, obviously need to keep trying. Okay, so the other one is still pending. This one is okay now. So yeah, I'll just keep waiting and that's it, guys. Don't want to keep you, but keep swapping, keep adding to pool, keep doing the faucet. Mint honey is here, which I did in the other video. That will help you as well to do those pools. As you can see here, connect wallet, do that stuff, go to the domains as well, try to mint more, and let's see how it goes. Hopefully we can get some decent airdrop, and I want to definitely work towards getting more of those Berachain. So thank you for